Okay, so here's the first problem set 2. So we're here, so let's make a directory mkdir pset underscore 2. We're going to change directory to pset underscore 2. And then we're going to make directory camel. Is that what we have to do here? Things may sound a bit different. I'm using my wife's mic that she was using for streaming. I think I'm talking in a regular voice. What the fuck, cat? Yeah, okay. We may need to move it a bit closer, I guess, but let's... There. Okay. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. Camel. What are we doing? Shit. We're making a directory called camel. And inside the directory, we need to go inside the... What just happened? Oh, I made 2 directories. Oh, whoops. Let's just do the quick... That was the whole point of the fucking mouse. I understand that some people say taking your fingers off of the keyboard takes more time. And the answer is yes, it does. But sometimes it is just easier. We're just calling this camel pie. Okay. So we need to... I keep trying to set a profile, but it never works. So you guys be able to see me set up the profile again. And then we go to themes, color theme, high contrast there. That should do good for everybody to see. Oh, my cat's on the counter. They're rolling over fucking cords. I don't want to roll over cords. Move this out of the way. Okay. Alright, so what we need to do is we need to take something that's in camelCase, so we need to change camelCase to snakecase. I don't want to do that. I want to do it this way. I like this way better. That way I can write a shit ton of stuff. So in order to do that, we need to loop through the message and find each uppercase letter, then each uppercase letter needs to be changed to lowercase. Then the new lowercase letter needs to be return to the message and a dunder needs to be added in front of the letter. Okay, I think that's what we need to do here. So we need to loop through the message and find each uppercase letter. Then each uppercase letter needs to be changed to lowercase. Then the new lowercase letter needs to be returned to the message, and a dunder is needed. And a dunder needs to be added in front of the letter. Okay. What is this cat doing? Getting off the counter, that's what it's doing. Okay, so we need to get a user input message, which will be input, because we're camelCase. And then we need to print something. Right? Is that what? Oh no, it's saying we need to say that it needs to print out snake message. Right? Okay. So for letter in camelCase, oh nope, that's not what we're doing. For letter in message, if the letter dot is upper, right? Because if we go to learning sites, Python string methods, bugger, I'm a dumbass. Back to loops. Problem set to camelCase. Okay, there. Put this over to here. Right, because we have to check if it's an uppercase thing. So, is identifier return true is a valid identifier. Keyword can be used as string. I don't know what this is. We haven't talked about this. Is lower. Okay, so yeah, is printable, is space, is title, is upper. Return true if all cased characters in the string are upper. Okay, but we're going through a list here, right? So for each letter in message, if letter is upper, we need it to print that dunder first plus letter dot lower underscore dunder, and then else if it doesn't meet this criteria, we're just going to say print letter. right? And we're just going to tell it to print. Hey kitty. Give you a couple of pets. There you go. And now we're gonna go into here and we're going to say python.camel.py camelCase. Let's just say camelCase. We're saying that it's returning print. Hey, no, back. We need to change out what it's doing. We don't want it to print on a new line every single time. No! Back! My cat. Cat doesn't know any different. All it wants is snuggles. Okay, so in order to... We don't want it to print on a new line, so we need to float bits types. We need to go to the print class. Right, Python. No. No, this is no good. God damn it, cat. You are making this exceedingly difficult. Print function. There we go. That's what we're looking for. Okay, come on. Come on. Sit over here, please. Thank you. Okay, so we've got print objects as text file, stream separated by separator following the end. Okay. Print cannot use with binary file objects. For that, use print that. Okay. What can we use? The file argument must be an object with a write string method. If it is not present or none, standard out will be used. Okay. Okay, so that's a standard. It doesn't talk about what this is. However, flush is true. I don't understand what flush is. So, let's see what happens when we do letter and then end is equal to nothing. Okay, so it did it right up until it hit the original, hit the first one. So what if we go here and then we do it end is equal to that. Let me try this again. Okay. But it's printing it on a second line. So then we need to do it here as well. And then we get whatever. Okay, so we are getting it there. So before, okay, so then we need to bring this up just a little tiny bit. There we go. Okay. I wonder. I don't know if that's too tiny for you guys or not. Browser doesn't support. I wonder if there's a terminal. Oh, I think that's a bit better for you guys at least. Okay, so we can close that. Right. Okay, now we'll go clear. And then we need to do a we don't need to do a CS50 just yet. Let's make sure that everything gets put out. So we type in first name, comes out first camelCase name. Okay, yep. And then we do this one more time with preferred first name. Okay. All right. Well, that's then let's do a check 50. Okay, that looks okay. This needs to get shrunk. Okay, that looks good. We will move on to the next one.